Ready for the test?
Yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. The homework definitely helps a lot.
Yeah. All right. So we want to do like a few extension problems and do the group quiz?
Sure, that sounds good.
Okay.
Should we do maybe like 1 and 3?
Yeah, that works. You want to do all the ones in one?
Let's do that last one. So the last bullet one.
Okay.
And then, is there any other one that you wanted to do?
No, not particularly. I just think it's funny that they gave us all these extension problems, and then the group quiz is just like the extension problem.
Yeah.
So sometimes I feel like doing the extension problems is just doing double the work.
Yeah.
So I finally figured out how to determine whether or not there's 2 versus 1 triangle.
Okay. How do you do that? I was trying to look it up. I can't find anything though.
Yeah, I'll send you the link that I've been looking at. That's the link that I use to kind of help you. If you scroll down, there's like a table that shows you when there's no solution, 1 solution, 2 solutions, stuff like that. So
Okay. Yeah, I'll have to go through that.
So on this one, since if you use like the rules of the thing that I showed you, there's actually going to be 2 triangles.
Okay.
The only trick is knowing how to get the second triangle.
Yeah. That's what I'm working on right now. So, what have you gotten for your angles so far?
So I got alpha. The angle for A is 33.8, and then the angle for C 113.5, and then side C is 63.7 for the first triangle. And now the second one, sorry, this thing sucks.
That's right. Yeah, I got all those too.
Okay, so then for the second triangle, you take the big angle that you got, so 113.5, and you do 180 minus that. And then that is also a possible measurement for angle Y or whatever you want to say.
Okay.
So then, well, that's not big enough. No. No. Thought I did it right. 142. Yeah, just kidding. I don't think that's right. Yeah, that's not right. Oh, so you do 180 minus the angle you get for A.
Okay.
So 180 minus 33.8, and then that gets you the new angle for alpha is 146.2, and then from there you can go and get your side C and angle C. So I got 146.2 for angle of A, and then for side C I got 1.3, and the angle for C is 1.1.
Here, I'm just gonna double check real quick, make sure I got mine right. Yep, you got the same things.
Okay, cool. Do you want to just move on to the group quiz?
Yeah, sure. Probably just the same thing, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Similar stuff. All right. Did you get the first one yet?
I'm still working on that one.
Okay.
How many triangles is that one?
I think it's just one, because since B is greater than C, according to what they have on this website, that would be one solution.
Okay.
Um, Still working on that one.
Yeah. So I'm having a little trouble with.
You just need to use the log signs.
Okay.
Because they'll give you two sides and an angle, so you should be able to use the log signs to get all the rest of it.
Okay. What did you get for A? The side A.
The side A,
Yeah.
3.524. You should probably find B first because you have angle for C and side C, and they give you side B.
Okay.
So then it's easier to go from that and find angle B. And then once you have angle B, then you can use that to find angle A and then side A.
See, did you get 68.72 for one of the angles?
Yeah, I got 68.85, so pretty close.
Oh, okay, yeah, it's that. I see what I did wrong. All right, I think I got it. We can move on.
Okay. So the second one, pretty much the same thing as, I don't know, it's a little different. You have to use the law of cosines first because we don't have an angle and a side together.
Okay.
So do you know what the law of cosines is?
Is it just the same thing as a sine, just substitute the cosine in?
No, it's really long. It's like, where is it?
I don't really know that well.
It's like,
Oh, is it like the a squared plus the b squared?
yeah, it's like, so if we were trying to find C, it would be C equals 1/2 C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine of C. That'd be the law of cosine. So that would help us find side C. And then since we would have side C and angle C, then we could use the law of sines to find the rest.
So for side C, I got 1.471.
Yep.
Okay.
And then you have to use the law of sines now to find angle B and then angle A. But what sucks is you do all that work and then come to figure out there's not actually a solution.
Oh, there's no solution?
Yeah, you have to find side B or angle B, then angle A, and then since I sent you the picture of that thing, so since A is less than B, you have to do A. You have to see if A is less than, equal, or greater to B sine of A. And when you do B sine of A, once you find all that, it's still less than, so that means there's no solution.
Okay, I see what you did.
So you basically do all that work for nothing.
Oh, wow.
But he still wants you to show it. So, all right, are you ready for number 3?
Yeah.
Okay. Magnitude and direction. This one's not as hard.
No.
So for the 3u minus 2v part, I got -9 comma -1.
Yep.
And then we have to find the magnitude and direction.
Wait, did you say -9 comma 1?
-9 comma -1.
Okay.
Unless I did something wrong.
I had +1. Or so do you just times the 3 by each of the u's?
Yeah.
Okay.
We should get -9 and then
3?
3. Yep. Plus, and then you have to do -2 times 0 and -2 times 2, which will give you -4.
Okay.
And then you do -9 plus 0, because those are both the a's, so that's -9. And then 3 plus -4 will give you the -1.
All right. Okay. Yeah, that one's not too bad.
We've got to find the magnitude and direction too. So the magnitude is just the absolute value of v equals square root of a squared plus b squared. So I got square root of 82 for the magnitude. And then for the angle sine of theta, I got negative 6.34.
Okay.
But then you have to look at where negative 9, negative 1 is. And that would be in the third quadrant. So then it turns out to be, instead of negative 6.34, you have to do 180 minus that. So you get 186.34. And that ends up being in the third quadrant.
Okay. All right, yeah.
One last one. Okay, so for this one, I use the r squared equals x squared plus y squared formula.
Okay.
All right, so for this one, I got x squared plus y squared equals negative 6x. Not sure if that's right.
I think that's right because that looks very. That's how the homework looked like.
Okay. Yeah, I don't remember rectangular equations that well, but yeah, that's how, like, in the extension problems, there's one kind of like it. It's 5 cosine of theta, and it looks similar. We'll go with it. All right, well, do you have any other questions or anything?
No, I think that pretty much does it.
Okay, sounds good. Well, good luck on the test.
Yeah, you too.
I'll go ahead and turn this in for us.
All right. Well, next Thursday, good again?
Yep.
All right. We'll see you next week.
Okay, sounds good.